Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a language replica of a lesson. A language replica allows you to automatically translate a lesson into another language while keeping it linked to the original, the master lesson. This means that any future changes made to the master lesson will be automatically synchronized with the translated version. AcademyOcean uses DeepL for automatic translation, one of the most accurate machine translation services available. Before creating a language replica, you need to set up the DeepL integration once and add your API key to the Academy. We've covered this process step by step in a separate video, and you'll find the link in the description below. Open the course and navigate to the lesson for which you want to create a language replica. Open the lesson settings and click Make a Replica. Next, select the Academy where the master lesson is located, then choose the course and the lesson that will serve as the master. Click Create Language Replica. Now configure the translation settings. Select the lesson's source language and the target language you want to translate it into. If needed, you can also select a glossary. A glossary lets you control the translation of specific words, terms, and short phrases. For example, you can keep names untranslated or define your own translations for company-specific terminology. Once you've finished configuring the settings, click Save. After the language replica is created, the translated lesson will open automatically. From this point on, the connection between the master lesson and the language replica is maintained. Any changes you make to the master lesson, such as adding new text, editing existing content, or making other updates, will be automatically synchronized with the translated lesson. If you ever wanted to edit the translated lesson independently, you can click on Edit button and edit your lesson, or you can unlink it from the master lesson. Once unlinked, it becomes a standalone lesson and will no longer receive automatic updates from the original. You can also create your own glossary if needed. To do this, go to the Academy's and Admin settings, AO Assistant Language Glossaries. Let's take a look at this example. In your glossary, you can add your own translation rules, edit or delete them, import or export glossaries, and synchronize changes with the API. This ensures that the same terms are translated consistently across all of your language replicas. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy.